looks like it's broken. The record is a joke, and it looks like they've settled up the score. You give up performance of what not to be, then you smile and say someone's gotta be. But I don't believe in you anymore. Do you wish to rush your bones back to dust? Do you even care what it's for? You make a menace of what's inside you, and then you lie about what you're trying to do. But I don't believe in things anymore. There will come a day when we all shall know who has really won the war. You turn a garden into fire, a world of wolves and vampires, but I don't believe in it anymore. You have run the race, you should know your place. Did you see the way they showed the door? And just sit there with your mouth so wide, but you can't swallow your pride. And I don't believe in anything anymore.
Excellent.